Hey, for anyone who's watching, my name is Victoria and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I was feeling extra festive and really wanted to go all out with Christmas makeup because I have been seeing it all over social media. So today I created this look with a two-toned eye, red and green, the classic Christmas colors. I think this look is really good for Christmas Day, Christmas Eve, Christmas party. Today I'm doing a voiceover because I had to really concentrate while doing these colors. I used the James Charles X Morphe palette, the Artistry palette. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then just keep on watching. First, I primed my eye with the MAC paint pot in Painterly, then threw the color Canvas in my crease just to prep for shadow. Following that, taking the color Social Blade and packing that in the crease probably 2 or 3 times and blending that out seamlessly. Next up, I'm taking the shade Daddy and I'm going to pack that lower in the crease, again probably 2 or 3 times to make sure I get the full pigment. And then I'm going to take the color Social Blade on a fluffy brush and blend those two together. Next, I'm going to take the shade Daddy and Spooky and mix them together on the outer V just to deepen that up. And I went over that twice, but then really made sure to blend out that black because I didn't want it to take over the look. Now I'm just taking that MAC paint pot and cutting my crease. On a small packer brush, I'm picking up the shade Flashback and really packing that on heavy on top of that paint pot to ensure that the white really stands out. And then I'm going to just grab the brush I was using previously to blend those two together with no additional product. Now for the left eye, I'm picking up the shade You're Kidding and I packed that into my crease and then very softly blend that out. I went over this shade twice as well to ensure full pigment, but just being really careful of the placement of the color. Next, I picked up the shade Pinkety Drinkety and just very softly blended out those edges. Now just mimicking the other eye by putting that paint pot down for a cut crease, packing that shade Flashback right on top, and then taking a fluffy brush afterwards with no additional product and blending those two colors together. Again, mimicking the other eye, taking the color You're Kidding and the color Spooky, mixing those together and placing it on the outer corner and making sure to blend it very well so it doesn't take over the look. Next, on a liner brush, I'm taking the Stila Glittler Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust and very lightly putting strokes of that on top of the white to help it stand out. Following that, I'm taking the Tartiest Clay Paint Liner in Mulberry and drawing a thin line and then smudging that out with a pencil brush. I ended up adding a small wing afterwards, but did not catch that on camera. I did my foundation off camera, but I used the Pretty Vulgar setting powder for my face from my BoxyCharm. Honestly, love this powder. Super translucent, sets everything really well. Definitely like it. As always, taking my Laura Geller Baked Body Frosting Face and Body Glow in Tahitian Glow for bronzer. Then jumping into my Tarte ProGlow Kit in the shade Shade for contour. Following that up with some Gold Rush blush from Benefit. and setting that all in place with my Smashbox x Nicolo Concilio So Chill Coconut primer water. For highlighter, I had a lot of fun using the Colourpop Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek, yes. And putting that on, and then I followed that up with 2 types of highlighter from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette. One side where the green was, I used Lucky Clover, and then the other side where the red was, I used Pink Heart. For lips, I used the Bodyography lip pencil in Timber. Got that in my BoxyCharm as well. Really liked it. For lipstick, I use the BH Cosmetics X It's My RaeRae Liquid Lip in Rosy Ray. And finally for gloss, I'm using the Tartiest lip paint in Strike Gold, which I also received in my BoxyCharm, and I love this gloss. Alright, and this is the completed look. I know that my footage has me wearing a different shirt and different hair, but I actually kind of forgot to do my intro and outro, so I had to kind of scramble to get that done. I really enjoyed making this makeup look. I think it's really pretty. I didn't put lashes on because I felt like the makeup was really loud, and I do feel like lashes would have really accentuated the look, but at the same time, I feel like it's kind of good to do some looks without lashes because natural lashes are still really pretty, and I think that you can get away with not wearing them with pretty much any look, but this one I think actually turned out really pretty without wearing false lashes. But that about does it for this video. I hope everyone is having a wonderful holiday season. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.